Hi everyone, welcome to our Physics 211 project. Our project is artificial sunset. We made an experiment to show why the sky is blue and why it gets reddish as the sun sets, and we explain it by Rayleigh scattering. First, this is our experimental setup, and we used sodium thiosulfate, and we added sulfuric acid to the solution, and sulfur is precipitated after this reaction. As we add more sulfuric acid, the more sulfur molecules are produced. And this we send light from one side of the container, and from the other side, by a camera, we recorded the results, the color change in the container. Yeah. We made some theoretical expectations for the color change. We used some intensity formulas. There are two intensity formulas. One is related to refractive index, and the other is related to polarizability. And these are the plots we obtained. And as you can see from both of them, for smaller wavelengths, the intensity is higher. So for smaller wavelengths, which is in our case blue and bluish colors, the light is more scattered. So we expect the container to be blue itself. And as we add more sulfuric acid to the solution, the other wavelengths also scatter more, and then we start to observe more orange, reddish colors in the container as well. This is our theoretical expectation, and yeah, the same plots, and the results we get, yeah, as we predicted, it was bluish as the reaction started. And then in time, the orange and reddish parts also appeared. And we obtained some plots with RGB values. We obtained them with a Python code. And as we can see, the blue color is getting less. So in the other, like green and red colors also start to take place. Yeah, and also we obtain hue values. Also, they have a correspondence. They have a color correspondence. So as you can see, in the 60 hue value, it corresponds to the orangish color, and this is also what we have obtained in our experiment. Yeah, and now we can watch our experiment.